Hello everyone. Waving hand. Welcome to Wooden Craft Ideas channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're passionate about woodworking and design, you're in the perfect place. On this channel, we'll explore the art of creating beautiful wooden lampshades. From unique design concepts to step-by-step tutorials, I'll guide you through the entire process, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter. We'll cover everything from selecting the right wood to finishing touches that make your lampshades truly shine. Get ready for plenty of tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you transform your ideas into stunning pieces for your home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your creations, so feel free to leave comments and share your ideas. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Let's get started and illuminate our spaces with beautiful wooden lampshades. Creating wooden lampshades is a rewarding and creative process that allows you to combine functionality with artistry. The beauty of wooden lampshades lies in their versatility. They can complement various interior styles, from rustic to modern. The journey begins with the selection of the right type of wood. Popular choices include pine, oak, and birch, each offering unique grain patterns and colors. Pine is lightweight and easy to work with, while oak provides durability and a rich finish. Birch, on the other hand, is known for its fine grain and pale hue, making it an excellent choice for a contemporary look. Once you've chosen your wood, the next step is to decide on the design of your lampshade. You can create a simple geometric shape or a more intricate, organic design. Consider the space where the lamp will be placed. A large, bold design can serve as a focal point in a living room, while a more delicate, understated shade might be better suited for a bedroom. Sketching out your ideas on paper can help you visualize the final product and make design adjustments before you begin cutting wood. After finalizing your design, it's time to gather your materials. In addition to wood, you'll need tools such as a saw, sandpaper, and wood glue. If your design includes patterns or cutouts, a jigsaw will be essential. Make sure to also have a light fixture ready, as this will determine the size and shape of your shade. Choosing the right light bulb is crucial, as it affects the overall ambience and energy efficiency of your lamp. Cutting the wood is one of the most exciting parts of the process. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure each piece is cut accurately according to your design. If you're using a jigsaw for intricate designs, practice on scrap wood first to refine your technique. Safety should always come first, so wear goggles and a mask to protect yourself from dust and debris. Once the pieces are cut, it's time to sand them down. This step is vital for achieving a smooth finish and removing any sharp edges. Use varying grits of sandpaper, starting with a coarser grit and gradually moving to a finer one. Sanding not only improves the appearance of the wood but also helps in preparing it for any stains or finishes you may want to apply. After sanding, you can choose to stain or paint your lampshade. Staining enhances the natural grain of the wood, while paint allows for more creativity and personalization. If you opt for a stain, apply it with a brush or cloth, following the wood's grain for the best results. For painting, consider using a primer first to help the color adhere better and to prevent the wood from absorbing too much paint. While your stain or paint dries, it's a good time to work on the lamp's framework. This involves assembling the base and ensuring that the electrical components are properly installed. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, consider consulting a professional to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. A well-constructed base will provide stability and support for your wooden lampshade. Once everything is dry and the base is ready, it's time to assemble your lampshade. If your design involves multiple layers or intricate shapes, take your time to ensure everything fits together perfectly. Use wood glue to secure the pieces, allowing for adequate drying time before moving on to the next step. Clamps can be helpful here to hold everything in place while the glue sets. After assembly, you might want to add finishing touches. This could include additional decorative elements such as carved patterns or embellishments. Consider using a router to create decorative edges or patterns that add depth and interest to your design. The goal is to enhance the overall look of your lampshade while maintaining its functionality. Lighting plays a significant role in how your wooden lampshade will be perceived. Choosing the right bulb can create various moods, from a soft, warm glow to a bright, focused light. LED bulbs are a popular choice due to their energy efficiency and longevity. Make sure the bulb fits within the confines of the lampshade and provides the desired amount of illumination. Once your lampshade is fully assembled and the light fixture is in place, it's time for the grand reveal. Plug in your lamp and switch it on to see how the light interacts with the wood. The interplay of light and shadow created by the wooden design can dramatically affect the ambience of the room. Take note of how the shade casts patterns on the walls. This can add an extra layer of artistic flair to your space. If you're looking to create a series of lampshades, consider experimenting with different wood types and designs. Each shade can have its unique character while maintaining a cohesive theme throughout your home. This approach can add a personalized touch to your decor, showcasing your creativity and craftsmanship. Sharing your creations with others can be incredibly rewarding. Consider documenting the process through videos or blog posts. This not only allows you to showcase your work but can also inspire others to try their hand at wooden lampshade design. Engaging with a community of fellow woodworkers can provide valuable feedback and new ideas. Participating in local craft fairs or online marketplaces is another great way to share your work. You can connect with potential buyers and receive instant feedback on your designs. Additionally, showcasing your work in public spaces can help you gain visibility and grow your audience. As you continue to create, don't hesitate to explore new techniques and styles. The world of woodworking is vast, and there's always something new to learn. Consider taking classes or workshops to refine your skills and expand your knowledge. This can also lead to exciting collaborations with other artisans. Sustainability is an important consideration in woodworking. Whenever possible, try to source wood from sustainable sources or repurpose old furniture. This not only helps the environment but also adds a unique history and character to your lampshades. Many people appreciate handcrafted items with a story behind them. In conclusion, creating wooden lampshade design ideas is a fulfilling journey that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and functionality. By choosing the right materials, tools, and techniques, you can produce stunning pieces that enhance any space. Embrace the process, experiment with different designs, and most importantly, have fun bringing your ideas to life. Your wooden lampshades can illuminate not just your home but also your creative spirit. Thank you all for joining me on this journey into the world of wooden lampshade design. Your support means the world to me, and I'm incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. Whether you've been with me from the beginning or just discovered the channel, your enthusiasm and engagement inspire me to keep creating. I want to extend a heartfelt thanks for your likes, comments, and shares. It's your feedback that drives me to improve and explore new ideas. I love hearing about your own projects and the creative ways you've incorporated wooden lampshades into your spaces. It's amazing to see our community grow and thrive together. Remember, this channel is all about experimentation and creativity. I encourage you to keep trying new designs and techniques. Don't hesitate to share your progress or ask questions. I'm here to help. Your passion fuels my creativity, and together we can continue to inspire one another. As we move forward, I have exciting content planned that I can't wait to share. We'll dive deeper into advanced techniques, explore different wood types, and even tackle some unique challenges. So, stay tuned. Once again, thank you for being part of this amazing community. Your support means everything, and I'm excited to continue this creative journey with you. Let's keep crafting beautiful wooden lampshades and illuminating our spaces together.